how to use previously unknown female psychology to win your divorce in California. I created the Not Divorce system and I used it in my own California divorce to successfully avoid losing over $250,000, and I kept 100% of my assets. So the secrets is meets/meets. So think of here above my head. First meets, capital M-E-A-T, lowercase s, and then a slash, and then lowercase m-e-a-t, capital S. So what these means is, so meets on top. When it's the lowercase s, that means women feel you have weak sperm. And when they feel you have weak sperm, they require large meat from you, money, energy, attention, and time. So a large amount of meat. But if the woman feels you are strong sperm, capital S, that means M-E-A-T is lowercase, that means the woman is only going to require a small amount of money, energy, attention, and time from you. So basically, we want to focus on minimizing the meat term, minimizing the money, energy, attention, time the woman requires from us during the divorce process, which means we need to maximize the S term. We need to make sure it's a capital S, aka we need to make sure the woman feels we are strong sperm so that we minimize the meat term. And what is the number one thing to do to make a woman feel you are strong sperm? The man, you have to file the divorce papers first. You have to file. It's literally basically the only guaranteed way to get out of the divorce process, escape like still alive. Now only 10% of men file divorce papers. So if you're one of the 10%, your woman will treat you better during the divorce process because she'll feel you are strong sperm, which means it's going to minimize the meat, money, energy, attention, and time she's going to require from you, which is what we want. So if you want to get this takeover out of your relationship, but keep your relationship going exactly as it is, then the Not Divorce system is for you. Apply now because prices increase $5,000 for every new client I take on.